Changing the industry because of uncertain future. You look a bit down. What's the matter?
Nothing much.
Looks like something isn't right.
Yeah, it's at job front. You know that the telecom industry is going through a rough patch because of falling prices and shrinking margins. These factors, along with consolidation in the industry, is threatening the stability of our jobs. And even if the job remains, career growth isn't exciting.
I know. I have been reading about some of these issues about your industry in the newspaper. So, have you thought of any plan?
I have been thinking about it for a while but haven't concretized anything so far.
What have you been thinking? If you can share.
Well, I have thinking of switching to an industry that has at least few decades of growth left.
That's the right approach, but you need to reskill yourself for the industry you are targeting.
I realize that, and I have been leaning toward digital marketing because in that industry I can carry over some of my skills from the current job. Another reason for this inclination is that digital marketing requires far less hardcore technical skills, which will make it relatively easier for me to acquire new skills.
Your choice makes sense. So, are you thinking of making the transition in near future?
Not immediately. I need to keep the job as I have EMIs to pay. I am 80 to 90% sure I will go with digital marketing as the industry to reskill in. But in the next 2-3 weeks I will take more opinion on other options. After all, I wouldn't want to change the industry again, and once I finalize the industry I will explore different options to reskill while keeping my current job.
Sounds like a plan. If you need, I can put you in touch with few friends who can help you finalize your future industry.
That will be awesome. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.